Hey guys, it's Jake with Leviathan, and today on Ultimate Survival Tips, we're going to be checking out another TacPack. That's right, we check out one of these every month, and that is because TacPack is a great partner of ours. And if you want to support Ultimate Survival Tips, head on over, sign up for TacPack. For 49 bucks a month, you're going to get cool stuff that you might not even know you need. And if you use the code ULTIMATE, they're going to send you a bag of extra free goodies courtesy of us. All right, guys, let's cut into this bad boy. Today, I'm gonna be using the Jake Hoback Knives A8 Slimline knife to cut this bad boy open. Let's dig in. All right, let's cut in. All right, put the knife away, safety first, open this thing up. All right, we got some paper. It's gotta be worth like 10 cents. All right, we got a sticker. We got our, looks like a speed loader. Got a belt or something. Got a M100 MultiTool. Discount card looks like it goes with the belt. And our instructions as usual. We can get rid of that box, recycle. And all right, let's look at this stuff. Let's get into it. All right, so first we've got a Tacbeltz, that's with a Z, EDC belt. Looks like this bad boy is gonna be Velcro of some kind. It's put on with a rubber band here. They sent us a small medium. I don't know if that one's gonna fit me, but USA made, so that's pretty cool. This belt's all about the buckle, it says. So looks like it buckles together with the actual Velcro here. It is pretty rigid, so you might do an okay job holding your gun on. And it's probably would be best used for more of like a competition shooting than anything else. They did include a code in here, TacPack 10. You get 10% off your next purchase with them. This would definitely be something we would look at for competition shooting, maybe an EDC belt. It's definitely fast, and this thing's worth 30 bucks by itself. All right, next up we got the M100 MultiTool by X-Tactica. So this thing's shaped like a carabiner. It's got a bunch of different tools on it, looks like. So we got a couple screw heads. We got a flathead and a Phillips. All right, so TSA compliant, that's pretty cool. So you can carry this on your bag anytime. You don't need to worry about taking it out. Non-scratch, lightweight, and ergonomic. You got your heavy duty sockets, so we can obviously put our Phillips head or flathead in there. You've got different rulers, both metric and imperial. You've got a package opener. You have an elastomer insert right here. Got your different universal wrench, all the way from 5mm to 14mm, or 3/16 to 9/16, whatever you go by. You've got inside here is a secure storage chamber, so you can put anything small that you might need to in here. You've got a bottle opener right here, and this bad boy alone is worth about 40 bucks. So would be a nice little thing to put on your backpack. We're gonna put this all back in its case, make sure we don't lose it. Next up, we're gonna take a look at our sticker this month. There's always a sticker in these boxes. This one is by Snake Oil Elixir. It's classified as priceless, but it's just a cool design. M16 select fire lower with the belt fed MCR upper. Obviously it's suppressed. Cool if you collect these stickers. Obviously TacPack every month puts in a really cool sticker in the box. And then last, we have our Plate brand pistol mag loader. 100% USA made. If you are spending a lot of time at the range practicing, preparing, whatever you want to call it, something like a pistol mag loader is essential, and this one is actually a pretty cool one. It's worth about 30 bucks, and you can load a Glock mag in under 10 seconds with it. They're super portable, really lightweight, another good value inside of the TacPack. All right, guys, so that's it for this box. It's pretty good value. There's a lot of cool stuff in here that I think that most people would get some use out of on a weekly basis. So if you're into this kind of stuff, this box you can't get anymore. This was last month's, but I do have a little bit of sneak peek on what's coming up in December. And so if you're into knives, specifically CRKT, how about Sons of Liberty Gun Works? And a couple other sneak peeks that are really meant for the tactical minded person. The next box is worth $230 and you can get in on it for that $49.99. And make sure you use code ULTIMATE at checkout, and that's gonna get you some extra stuff. Guys, go check out TacPack. Subscribe below to Ultimate Survival Tips. We're gonna keep bringing you things that you might not know you need, but you certainly want. Guys, I'm Jake for Ultimate Survival Tips. We'll check you later.